Welcome back to the Weston
and Layla show!
Today, this is a really special video. So, are you guys excited for the summertime? We are so much because of Silverwood! What do you like to do at Silverwood? Because we like to do lots of stuff.
And
do you like to soak up the warm sun at Boulder Beach? She really does. Or what about floating in the lazy river?
It's really fun. Just play in the water.
Doesn't that look like so much fun?
Or maybe rides are your thing.
Or maybe the spectacular magic show.
Or the train ride.
Or maybe the delicious food. Now that was some deliciously good ice cream. Or maybe you just like
all of it.
We do. We're gonna give you a few tips to get ready for Silverwood.
First thing is tickets.
If you want the absolute best deal on season tickets, buy them in November.
You could choose a gold pass
or a single pass. If you want to get single passes, you can get a group and order together. And then you'll get an even better discount. If you miss the deal in November,
you can opt for
the early bird special.
You can choose from 1 or 2 or 3
days. You can still get a gold pass or a single pass.
You can also plan
to take advantage of Silverwood's anniversary,
Mother's Day, its weekend,
American Hero,
Father's Day,
Toyota Tuesdays,
Emperor's Weekend,
Community Appreciation,
discounts.
Go online to their website to purchase tickets. If you are a local kid,
read books.
And you can earn yourself a free ticket.
Who doesn't like to read?
Which ticket is best for you? What are the benefits of season passes? Unlimited admission into Silverwood and Boulder Beach, free parking, 10% discount at all food and retail locations, excludes alcohol, 10% discount at Silverwood RV Park, Scarywood opening weekend discount. And for Gold Pass members, you get to bring up to 2 guests every time you visit. Also, the nice thing about passes is
you can choose what
and how much time you want to spend
at the park
and not feel rushed
or guilty of not staying
or getting to everything.
Or favorite's gold, because who doesn't want to be a friend?
Or a long distant relative when they come to visit.
Right?
You want friends when you ride on this. Or you might only get to spend once or a couple days. So I suggest buying a 2-day or 3-day pass.
You could do both parks.
Now you're probably wondering when they're gonna open.
It's May 4th.
Boulder Beach doesn't open until June 8th.
That's okay.
It may just need a warm up just a little bit. It won't be open every day until the second week of June. Now on your first day there, you'll want to buy one of those cool souvenir bottles.
They come in a lot of fun colors.
You can hang them on your stroller,
put them in your wagon,
and hang it on your backpack. The awesome part is that you get free refills your first day.
You can only pay 99 cents
on your other visits to get a refill.
Hopefully you're now ready.
Plan on taking you along.
For more more tips,
tricks, and fun
at
Silverwood
this summer.
We went 12 times one summer. Do you think that we can beat that?
We're gonna try some new things too.
Like race each other down the Riptide Racer. Maybe some new rides. Keep your eye out for those videos.
Please like,
Subscribe to our channel, share, comment down below, and we'll see you guys later.
on the Weston Layla Show.